Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl O. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome as well. I am getting into decorating for the Christmas season for 2023. So if you would like to see how I decorate my fireplace and my bookcase for this upcoming Christmas season, keep on watching. Continue to support, like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment below. And let's get into this video, y'all, because we got a lot to do.
There is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire.
First, let's start off by cleaning these bookshelves. I'm using the Method cleaner, just a light cleaner for these bookcases. They were pretty dusty, so I had to get up on the ladder, and Lord knows I hate getting up on the ladder, but I wanted to make sure my bookcases was fresh before we started the decorating process.
Outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Next, I'm going to start off with these mini wreaths I made last year out of an embroidery hoop and some old garland. I just wrapped it around there, and I'm going to be adding these plaid bows on it, and I'm going to hang them to the top of the bookcases.
Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring.
Next, I'm going to be adding these black reindeers that I also got from last year from Target. I bought some this year, and I already had two from last year. I put this checker plaid ribbon on it like it's a scarf. Only thing about these reindeer is that they do collect a lot of length, but I love them. And for $5, yeah, they're worth the price.
Some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door.
Also, I added this big star candle holder and also this joy sign. I purchased this joy sign from Big Lots last year, and the star candle holder came from Target. I really do like the rusticness on the bottom of the joy candle holder, and I'm just going to be playing around trying to figure out how I want to style my bookcases. Now I'm just adding my black velvet trees that I picked up from Target this year. I was trying to figure out that I want it from the bottom or the top, so I figured I'll put it on the top of the bookcase.
Standing up close by the Christmas tree.
You guys, I was so upset. I ended up breaking the top part of my nutcracker, and I really was upset. So I was trying to figure out how can I put it on there. Do I want to glue it? How can I hide it? So what I end up eventually doing is putting that nutcracker on the other side where the other bookcase is, so it will not be so noticeable, and the one that I didn't broke. But I do plan on gluing it. And also I'm coming in with my black houses and just trying to switch around and figure out what looks best.
Some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight.
Here you see me trying to add some books to the bookcase for height and trying to situate my reindeer, but it just was not working. I want to keep my shelves as simple as I can so that the fireplace and the tree will be the focal point. So it was looking too cluttery, so I ended up playing with it a little bit and decided on not to use the books.
To get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do.
So just to give a little bit more of a look, I added these old pieces of garland around that star candle holder, as well as I plan on adding some candles there just to give it a little more interest. And I also end up using one of my acrylic stands to give the house a little height. And I'm trying to go into threes and ones, keeping it odd and interesting. And so far, here is what the bookcases is looking like. I will show you the complete look when I'm finished.
Just you and me
Before I was so rudely interrupted, my boyfriend called me and said, throw on your hat, throw on your coat, throw on these things. I'm totally not dressed. I'm in decorating mode. And let's go because we're missing some sales. So we did run out Black Friday shopping. I really didn't get too much, just some gifts for my family. But I did go at Hobby Lobby, which I said I was not going to go in. And like I said, Hobby Lobby was definitely picked over. But I'll show y'all what I did find. So I did pick up these sprays here, and I thought these would be cute. They would give more of the natural look, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put them at. I think I might use them on my coffee table, so stay tuned for that. So I did pick up these. I like that they had the little itty bitty berries in them. Also, like I said, not much. I'm telling y'all, I knew Hobby Lobby everything was gone. So I did pick up these stems as well. And I like these. They had the mini pine cones. And you guys know everything's been like 50% off at Hobby Lobby. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And also, sorry to be bending down, I picked up these. I couldn't leave them. Was these black glittery stems. Now I was going to use these in my dining room, but if I start using these in my dining room, it will kind of take away the rustic look that I'm going for. So I think, no, I know I'm going to use these in the bedroom. I didn't plan on putting black in the bedroom though, but I don't know, we going into black, I guess gray and gold. So these were absolutely gorgeous, and I just couldn't leave them. And last, I just picked up a pack of black ornaments. Because I was like, I couldn't find my ornaments. I was like, I didn't buy no black ones last year. I did, but they were the smaller ones. So I did pick up these as well. So that was all from Hobby Lobby. So let's get back to finishing this fireplace. So far I have, as you can see, the garland on the fireplace, and I layered it with another old garland. I did use those mini trees, and we got it closer. I had these floral containers from the summertime from Walmart. So I used these, and I just stuck these mini trees in here, and they do light up. So far I did finish pretty much the bookcase, but I do have to add candles here, and on the other side I just mimicked the same thing. So let's get into finishing this fireplace.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine.
Right here you see me trying to add this velvet ribbon. I'm trying to piece all the ribbon together, and I'm trying to make it swirly because I want to make my garland very full on the one end. So I added that big bow and the plaid ribbon, so I want to give it a little more density. So I am trying to create something with this velvet ribbon.
I can see the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And let's continue getting this fireplace done.
And now it's time to have a merry holiday.
So still, after I put on the ribbon, it was not full enough for me. So I did take a piece of the extra garland I had and just cut a piece just to make it a little bit more fuller than it was. I don't want it too heavy because I, want it to stay on the fireplace, but just to make it a little bit denser. Also came in and added these snowshoes to my garland. I thought these was cute. I picked these up from the Target dollar spot a few years ago, and that will give me my cabin and my ski theme, and also keeping with the rustic theme as well. I also decided to add in these wooden beads to add a little more touches of the rusticness with the black as well. I was playing around with the beads and I just figured that I would just dip them in the middle. I also was going to add the black wooden beads. I did last year and I liked the way it looked, but this year I just decided to keep it a little more simple. Now I'm going in with this other ribbon just to break up some of the black and give it a little bright. This little cute ribbon I got from Walmart last year as well. I'm also going to be adding some ornaments, some of those black ornaments and 2 other ornaments that I had already. And here's what it's looking like so far. Since I'm not using stockings, I decided to add in these fun ice skates. I also picked these up at Target from the dollar spot, maybe I think last year. I put the skates on the end that really doesn't have any decor, just to offset it a little bit, give it a little bit balance, but I still wanted more of the decor on the one end. I did decide to go in with these icy picks that I also picked up at Hobby Lobby. I had these for years and they are one of my favorite. I just love the way they fan out in the ice. So I started off, was going to put them all through the garland, but I didn't want to take away from the green or the rusticness. It seemed like it was overpowering. So I did put them on each end as just a little accent. Now I'm just adding in some finishing touches. I'm playing around with these sleds I also picked up from Target Dollar Spot. I end up putting them on the side of the trees. I really liked them there instead of on the bookcase. And here, you guys, is what the fireplace and the bookcases is looking like. I end up really liking it. I wasn't sure about it. It was a struggle. I was getting a little frustrated, but it ended up turning out very cute. So, and I can't wait to put up my other decor so it can really all just flow together. And yeah, I'm loving it. Here's what it's looking like with the lights on. I truly love it. Only thing I have left to really do before the holidays is kind of work with the cores, but it ended up being absolutely gorgeous. I also added the spinner in there. I wasn't going to use it, but it was already attached to the old garland, so I said, why not? And it ended up being cute, so I'm glad that I did end up using it. Thank you all for watching, and please make sure you come back to see how I decorated my Christmas tree and the rest of my home. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss a video from me. And you guys, see you on the next one. Bye.